Great morning. So welcome to CPR's Kitchen once again. And guess what? Today I'm going to share with you how to reheat your pasta. Now I made a great creamy shiitake vegan pasta and it tastes so much better the next day. Now this is literally like the last of it, like day 3. And once it sits in the refrigerator, it kind of dries out like this, right? But you want it to get moist and creamy again. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and you can do this with other pastas as well, because you don't want a dry pasta. It's like, what's the point? And that's why a lot of people don't like to eat it or reheat pasta, because they can't get it nice and creamy again. So let's begin. So we have our pasta in our bowl, and we also are going to get a little glass bowl that is microwave safe, small, very small like this. And we're going to place this next to the pasta inside the microwave with the microwave cover. You really don't need the microwave cover, but I just do that so that the stuff doesn't pop around in the microwave. Are almost done. All right, let's take it right out so you guys can see it as soon as I take it out. Get my fork and look at that, nice and creamy once again. Let's go to the counter. All right, so here we go. Look at this, nice and moist, not dried out. And you know what? You can use this with a lot of other meals like mashed potatoes and different things like that. I recommend putting a little bit of water inside the microwave with your item to be reheated, and it will bring back the moisture and not dry it out, and you've seen it for yourself. So this is a great cooking reheating hack, and please share this video. If you have any questions, leave them below and thumbs up the video. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and checking out all my great how-tos, DIY videos, and ways to save your coins. I will see you guys later, gators. I had to come back because even after I did the video, I was eating on this, and literally it's been sitting for about 40 minutes and it's still creamy. Like, I literally have been cleaning out I just cleaned this out really well. Yeah, because you know, seasonings spill all in here. And there is a video for this as well on my channel on how I clean this and refill my containers. Some of them need refilling, some of them don't. But yeah, the entire time that I washed them, let them dry, and cleaned off everything, this pasta is still moist. So you definitely want to keep this hack in your arsenal.